So this is a quick update about the Paws Airdrop. As you can see, they shared on Twitter about it. The Solana checker is here. Find out if you are eligible for a special OG Paws allocation. So what does it mean? This means if you hold any Solana-based tokens in your wallet, then you can be eligible for extra Paws bonuses. So if you want all the updates about the latest airdrops and crypto, then join our Telegram channel. The link is provided in the description. So first you need to visit this website. I will provide the link in the description. Then you need to connect your wallet if it's not already connected. Click this TG dashboard option. So here I already connect Phantom wallet. So first it asks you to connect your wallet. Then click this red dot Solana OG icon. Next click connect Solana wallet. Select Phantom. Then check Paws and confirm. As you can see, I am not eligible, but if you hold Solana tokens, then you could be eligible. And it looks something like this. And that's it about this quick update. So if you like this video, then like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.